Okay, you're welcome. So now the second flyer we're going to be doing, we are going to do it. Oh, I need to save this as project first because I'll be giving out templates. What am I doing? Save as projects. Let's say this is happy. I see a lot of happy words flyers that I've done there. So I'm going to give out the what's it called, the templates, but not now. It's going to be much later. All right. So thank you for joining, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video to other people as well. So I'm just going to go to my that's background editing tool, right? So I'm going to have 1350. So now this is portrait, so I'll just bring from my gallery this particular background. So I think it's a little bit portrait too. It's like 3x4. Okay, so I'm just going to enlarge this to fit. Alright, that's fitted. So now what we're going to do is quite very simple. So the first thing I'll do is I've locked it. So the other thing from my gallery again, I'm going to bring in this. I've already loaded all these resources, so you can just check them out in the description of the video. A lot of people keep asking me, what about the resources? Is it that you don't check, you guys don't check the description of the video? Just check and read through. They're going to say, this is the other one we just did. So we're going to use this, he is raising. It's okay. We don't need to do so much here because this is already, so I'll stretch it a little bit. Okay, it's not always good to stretch your image like this, but this is text, so, and it's a calligraphy. I already told you how to get this calligraphy, so you could check the previous video that I made on this. So just on your background, your object editing tool, go to erase color, just enable it, and the white is going to be gone. Take the tolerance to its full. Okay, hit OK. Then we're going to change the color, not the opacity, the color. We're going to change the color. Just enable the color. The color can be white, it can be orange. Let's see what colors we have here. Okay, well, this is white, so it can be white, and then we can just edit it and put a couple of other things as well there. So this is going to be so straightforward because just hit this and then, oh my god, we're going to paste. I'm going to paste this. Let me just get this back. He's risen, Jesus rose. Yeah, good. So this is so this is alright. So I just got a new idea. Now what I'm going to do is, let's take this to be this top font. We're going to take it to Montserrat medium. Hit OK. Or maybe regular is still going to be fine here. Okay, so the next thing is the alignment is going to be centralized. Okay, I'm going to make this a little smaller. So this is going to be at the middle. Now let's see, something like this. Then hit stickers, just allow it to load a little, and we're going to get that black stuff right there or heat outside, and then we are going to have this. So I'll change the color of this to just enable the color and change it to black. Okay, so I'll have this and just put it below here, take it down. Okay, this needs to be below this as well, so for this one I'm just going to duplicate it. Just take it below it again. Okay, this is the reason we celebrate. I think it's going to it's readable, right? So for this I'm going to lock this, and lock this as well. Okay, this has to come below this. Yep. So So the next thing I'm going to write, Jesus is alive. Yes, Jesus is alive. I'm going to change the font now to, still the same Montserrat. So I have been in love with Montserrat for a long time. So okay, Jesus is alive. So you bring it down a little bit. After that, just copy this and write, He is Lord. He is Lord. Yeah. So I'll put this also here. Okay, I think this has to shift to the right as well. Okay, is Lord. I'll put Jesus here as well. So now this design is quite it's quite simple and straightforward, and it's rich actually. So what we're going to do is, let's say I have my brand's name to be here, or something like Chris Graphix Tutorials. Yes, I've subscribed to subscribe to our channel. Can have something like visit us at www.Graphix tutorials.com. Alright, please, this website is not functional yet. Okay, just increase the spacing. Just keep it right at the middle. Alright, basically, I think we're done with His reason Jesus is alive. Happy Easter Sunday. So let me bring this down. Bring this down as well. So one more thing I'm going to create. I'm going to use Happy Easter. Let me kind of like try it with this first. Okay, I would have loved you to use what I'll call blend mode for this. Okay, I love to use what's called blend mode for this. Let me see if this is going to work out. Okay, alright, so instead of blend mode, we can use this opacity to control that. So this is Happy Easter, so I'll just write Happy Easter there. Happy So what I'm going to have right here is let's have this font changed. So it's just going to be as if it's scripted on that wall. So it's not going to be. So from gallery, I'm going to, if there's a way I can just open that other file and copy what I've done. I've done that, I would have done that. So I'll just go to my gallery and bring in this. Okay, we can even, I think Happy is even here as well. So maybe we could just go ahead with everything here. So I'll just enable this and remove the whites. Why I colored this white again. Okay. Alright, so I think since the Happy is not clean enough. So what we're going to do, just go to eraser. I don't need to, just to wipe out this. A bit of this as well. It's not clean very well, but it's fine. So for the opacity, you have to take it down. Happy Easter. So now the next thing, this is completely okay, but I want to add something. I want to add something to this design. Alright, so I want to add that cross, that thorn. So I will have to turn on my data, go to let me turn on my, I just hope this can come on. Alright, so I'll just turn on my data. I'm just trying to put on the data. I'll turn on my data, and then I'll go to Pinterest and I'll download that thorn, remove the background, and I don't know whether that plus whatever. Let's search for let's say Easter cross PNG. Easter hey Easter cross PNG. Let's just get this and see. Oh, is this that thorn crown I'm talking about, not cross? Thorn crown, thorn crown, thorn crown, thorn crown. Okay, yeah, I think now the challenge with this other one here is that this one has shadow effect. If you want to remove this background now, it's going to be a lot difficult. I would have loved to use this. Okay, let me just save this. So I will add it up with Snapseed. So let's try that out instead of using Pixellab. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to save this. I'll save as image. I'll save as ultra here. Save it as ultra. And then after this, I'll just go to Snapseed and then I'll make my other edits there. So let me just copy this data on here. Okay. Alright, it's loading. Just allow it to load. Alright, it has saved. So I have to save this as project as well, so that I can go back to it. Here is reason. I hope it has. Okay, saving done. So I'm going to go to Snapseed, and we're going to do the edit, the final edit there. So I'll put this that we've done. Now they are kind of like, okay, I want to make it pop, faded glow. Let's try this and see what's going to happen to it. Yeah, I think I love this. I love this. To do it this way, it's as fine as this way. I mean, it's good to go already. Alright, so just subscribe to the channel and share. Okay, so I want you to do the final edit I'm going to do, like the one I'm going to post. The one you see me post is actually all the final. Just look at, I will make sure I include in the video as well. Okay, just remove the background and then use this, what's it called, this double exposure. Pick it, the one that the background is removed, and add it to the sides however you want it to be. Alright, so take care and bye for now.